Until we cut it down?
Yeah, hold on. This fucking tree's gonna die, son of a bitch.
Say that to the camera.
Huh?
Say that to the camera.
This fucking tree's gonna die. Huh? What?
We're starting
Son
now.
of a bitch!
Say it.
This fucking tree is gonna die. Did you get that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Good. I believe you.
God.
Hey.
Hold on.
Alright, woo! Let's go to Vietnam and get some hookers. Woo!
Woo! Yeah! Fuck these hookers, man. Fuck these hookers. Shit.
Dude, it's close, look.
Huh. I know.
It's on its last legs.
Ah, my son of a bitch. I couldn't even hit the tree.
Cheese.
Huh?
It's like Swiss cheese.